guys, Danielle here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get heatless curls using flexi rods. Obviously, this is a wig because I do wigs now. So I put the wig on and this wig is not secure. As you can see, you just pop it up and pop it down. But it's not really going anywhere while I do this tutorial. So I just split the hair straight down the middle in two. So I got two sides of the hair. And I'm going to be working on one side first. So I'm going to be working on this side first. So I'm just going to put this side up and away using a clip. And the way I like to flexi rod my hair is we're going to be doing beach waves with flexi rods. So I'm just going to split the hair. So now I have the bottom and I have the top. Using another clip to divide the hair. So then I separate the hair in twos like this. And I'm going to use this Aussie, this is the Aussie Sun Touch Shine Hairspray Instant Shine in one use. And this is a purple bottle. I pretty much use all Aussie products. They're really good to me on my natural hair, everything. So I know this will be good. I just got this, so I did not use it yet. Then I'm going to take my flexi rod and make sure it's nice and straight. And starting with the flexi rod, I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it behind the hair, like so. That means the hair is in front of it, the flexi rod is behind it. You're going to take the hair and hold it in your hand just like this. And you're going to take it and you're going to twist the hair while twisting your hand around the flexi rod. So we're twisting the flexi rod, twisting our hand, twisting the flexi rod, hand, flexi rod, hand around the hand, flexi rod, all the way until you get to the end. Now your hair is really straight, so if the end doesn't really stay, it's okay. Or if you want the end to stay, then you just slap something on it like some mousse or some like a gel to make the hair stay on the flexi rod. I don't really mind it, so I just bend the flexi rod and that's the hair on the flexi rod. It's just like that, and it's in a spiral motion, so that's how you're going to get that beach wave look. So I'm going to do it again. I forgot to also mention that these flexi rods, they come in 5 in a pack, and I think they're $2 or $3 at your local drugstore, beauty supply store, Sally's. Walmart also sells them. So just twisting it. You're gonna fold it. And that's that. So now I'm just really going to speed through so I can get to the other side. Okay, so if you notice that I did my entire head, but I left these two pieces right here in the front out. Because when it comes to flexi rodding your hair, there is a certain way you're supposed to curl the pieces in the front. Especially if you don't want that lump right here at the top where it usually have when you curl something and you leave something right there for a long time and your hair has a hump. You know the hump that I'm talking about, like if you was to use a curling iron or flat iron and you hold it right here and you try to bend it, it has that hump right there. Yeah, that's the same type of hump that you get when you use a flexi rod and you don't position it the right way. The hump is kind of fine if you really need to wake up, and then you would have to put heat on your hair, because then you would have to flexi rod. I mean, not flexi rods, I'm sorry. Then you would have to straighten that part with a flat iron, just right here a little bit. So if you don't mind straightening that part when you wake up and when you take the flexi, or when you take the flexi rods out, then you can go ahead and just skip this step and just continue to put the flexi rod in. But if you just want a heatless curl, no heat style, then just continue watching. So I'm gonna start with this side first. Rub my hands through it, making sure there's no knots, and tangles. Knots, snags, and tangles. So I'm taking the hairspray, spraying the hair, taking the flexi rod, I'm taking the hair and I'm combing like in an upward motion. And right here where my hand's at is where you want to start the flexi rod off. You don't want to bring it all the way up here, because you're going to have that lump that I was just warning you about. So you're just going to bring it right here, just a little bit, just past your eye. And then just continue to flexi rod the hair as normal. So with flexi roding the hair again, you're just going to put the flexi rod behind. Put the flexi rod behind the hair. Twist your arm while twisting the hair around the flexi rod at the same time. Let me know. And this one is a little flexi rod. They also have smaller flexi rods. It's the same size, it's just a little shorter for shorter hair. And I had a couple of these and I don't know where they went. I just know this is the only one I can find. So I usually like to use these towards the front bang area of my hair. So that's why I'm going to use this one. And just a little bit past the eye. Put it behind. Twist your hand while twisting the hair. And I'm on the flexi rod. Bend it so it can hold, and voila. So I know I look really crazy with the flexi rods in my head, but no worries, this is a wig, so I won't be wearing this to bed. But like I said, when I did have a sew-in, I would have to wear these to bed. So what I would do so that they would not unravel and it would be easier for me to sleep is to get a really big bonnet. Again, they sell those at the beauty supply store, drugstore. I think they sell them at Walmart, Target, and all those other places. I'm not sure, but I do have a really big bonnet, and I'll put the bonnet on over my hair. And I would go to sleep just like that, and that way these flexi rods won't unravel, because if you sleep wild like I sleep wild, a couple of these will come out of your head while you sleep. So it's important to wear the bonnet to bed. So next I would just take my hairspray, spray the hair, and I think I sprayed a little bit on my face, spray the hair, and that's it. So I'm just going to go to bed. Obviously not right now, but it is pretty late. So I'm just going to take my wig off, put it to the side, let the curls do their thing, and I'm going to come back and show you guys the process of me taking the flexi rods out in the morning. So see you guys. Good night. Okay guys, so welcome back. It is now the next day, and I already did my makeup and everything. So I gelled down my edges, because of course when I sleep my baby hairs go all over the place. So I gelled down my baby hairs, and I have the wig right here. So like I said, this one's already coming out by itself. So like I said, this is a wig, so I just take it off at night and I leave the flexi rods in. And look at this one already just basically coming out. So let me just go ahead and take that one out, and this is what it looks like. Like I said, it's a beach wave, so it's not meant to be really curly, because I did not put the flexi rods in really tight. This is the look that I was going for. So let me just go ahead and pop my wig on for you guys. me just zoom the camera back so you guys can see. So one of the flexi rods already came out, and this is the look I was going for. Because I did not put the flexi rods in tight, I was going for a beach wave look. But if you want more of a spiral look, you would twist the flexi rods up tighter, and you put them up you put them really up. Like, so you see how these flexi rods, they have the spaces in it, and you can see the purpleness of the flexi rods. That's the beach wave look that I was going for. But if you don't want a beach wave look, and if you want more of a spiral look, you will put the curls, you will twist the hair up on the flexi rods really tight. So let me just go ahead and take the rest of these out, and they're really easy to take down. You just unfold them and you pull them off of the flexi rod, and kind of just run your fingers through the hair to loosen it up. And I don't want to take the ones up in the front, this one out yet, because I want you guys to see. Look at that. A heatless curl. No heat at all. And you can tell that there's a fold right here. So if I would have put the flexi rod all the way at the top, that same fold that's down here would have been up here, and it would not have looked right. It would not have looked cute. And you had to go in and add heat, which was the whole point that we're trying to prevent. We're trying to prevent from adding heat. But if you would have rolled the flexi rod, like I said, not to roll, then you would have had to add heat.
People you know.
And that's pretty much it. That's all I do to my hair if I want heatless curls. Like I said, I just put the flexi rods in, and I spray the hair with this Aussie hairspray, which is kind of my new favorite because the hair isn't heavy. It smells really good. It's really good. It's a really good product. I really recommend using this product, and this is not a sponsored video. It's just something that I picked up while I was at Walmart. I think it was like $2, and it got my hair super soft, smelling really good. Got my curls really shiny, really curly, really bouncy, and everything.
Let me know.
I really just wanted to take a minute so you guys can see the hair and see the curls. And see how shiny it is, how just voluminous it is, and everything, just with flexi rods. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how I curl my hair with flexi rods. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to comment if you ever used flexi rods before. What is your experience? Let me know if you want a more detailed video on how to exactly curl the flexi rods, because I know that I showed people like my friends and they don't exactly get it. So if you want me to do it more slowly and more up close, leave that down below in the comment area. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. That'll be it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.